this is Milian. Now I'm in the factory to show you our assembly department. Our factory started to the polyurethane machine since 1986. We do the polyurethane machine more than 40 years. Here is our CPU machine, and we also do another machine like this one is NPI mini casting machine, and we also do the high pressure folding machine. This is high pressure string components machine. Same time, we also do the auxiliary machineries like this is the ovens. All the oven sides are made according to your final usage and the size. Here beside here is our three components 3PU machine. So if you have any requirements about the PU machinery, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.